What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best step ladders in 2022, you can buy right now. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether you are looking for a best budget. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. HBTower 3-Step Ladder. This folding ladder provides 3 feet of height to help reach items on top shelves, clean ceiling fans, change light bulbs, and more. The 500-pound duty limit ensures a sturdy platform while working with heavy tools and equipment, and the under $70 price tag makes it a bargain. A lock-and-open system makes it easy to open and close, with the metal safety buckle automatically locking in place when the ladder is in use. Cross-bracing on the back reinforces the structure for less wobble and better support. Wide steps with non-slip rubber treads provide added safety and comfort. At just 1.6 inches thick when folded, the ladder requires minimal storage space. The heavy-duty steel frame makes it a bit heavier than some competitors, but it still only weighs 11.5 pounds. This step stool features a steel frame construction, so not only is it the heaviest step stool out of our top picks, weighing in at 12.3 pounds, it's one of the heaviest we tested. It's still a little cumbersome, no doubt. The steel frame construction is a major factor in its 500-pound load capacity. Pros: lock-and-open system with metal safety buckle, reinforced structure, non-slip rubber treads, easy to store. Cons: some assembly required. Number 2. Cosco 11408GNF1E, Big Step Folding Stool. This step stool is worth an honorable mention, as it is the second best 2-step stool we tested. While it reaches a little higher and features wider steps throughout compared to the Rubbermaid, the Rubbermaid just felt a bit more sturdy on the climb. This one is also a tad heavier, and when going up and down a flight of stairs, those 2.9 pounds make a difference. These 2-step stools run neck and neck in terms of price, but a lighter step stool will always have an edge in terms of convenience and ease of use. The Cosco folding step stool is a well-designed piece, giving the much-needed ease to reach the high shelves or to hang curtains, etc. Made from durable and good quality material, it is sturdy and safe and is very secure with the feet on all floor types, be it tiled or placed on dirt or grass. The steps being wide enough one can balance well while climbing, and the handle is an added benefit that gives the security of climbing the ladder on to the next step. One happy older customer wrote, "It opens easily, providing 2 steps covered with non-slip rubber. More importantly, it has a tall handle, which I grip and lean on as I step up. I feel very confident and safe using this stool." Number 3. Little Giant Ladder Systems Flip-N-Lite 5-Foot Step Ladder. Flip-N-Lite's 5-foot platform stepladder is ideal for apartments where a full-sized ladder would be a liability. It offers great floor-to-ceiling reach, even to hobbit-sized people, and safety features to inspire confidence. One of our favorite things about it is that you can open it with one hand. If you've got a bag of groceries and need to store them, you can carry and set this up with the hand that's not carrying food. It's also got rubber/vinyl feet that conform and stick to whatever surface you're using it on, so you can step up it without worrying that it'll slide. If you're looking for a full-sized stepladder for an apartment, it's a great choice. If you're looking for something a little less, however, be aware that this one is also a little more expensive than other stepladders and is a bit on the heavy side. This Flip-N-Lite ladder's easy-release handle makes it easy to open and shut without any squeaky sound. Although light in weight, it is sturdy enough to carry the weight of a well-built construction worker as well. Pros: lots of range, one-hand opening, rubber/vinyl feet, suitable as a home ladder. Cons: expensive, on the heavy side. Number 4. Delxo 3-Step Folding Ladder Stool. If you are looking for a compact 3-step ladder that can carry out light day-to-day climbing work, this next pick fits the bill perfectly. Delxo's 3-step folding ladder is a beautiful, multi-use, lightweight, and sturdy option that has been designed with safety and practicality in mind. We were looking for a small 3-step ladder to help us reach the top shelves in our cabinets, with its topmost step 28 inches high. This ladder from Delxo proved to be the ideal option for us. Its folding design allows you to store it within 5 inches of space. For its small size, it has an impressive maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, however, it is a bit heavy at over 15 pounds. We especially like the curved hand grip on top, which adds convenience while climbing or carrying it. Each step on this ladder is wider than the average size found on most step ladders. Also, the non-marring feet eliminate the chances of any damage to the floor. The only downside we observed was that the locking mechanism beneath the topmost step is not as efficient as it should have been. Overall, it feels a bit expensive at $60. Number 5. Delxo Folding 4-Step Ladder Stool. Delxo Folding 4-Step Ladder has been approved by TÜV with a GS certificate. Designed with safety in mind, this fully assembled stepladder offers stability due to its extra-wide steps and a non-slip rubber footing. Being more compact and thin, it does not take much space for storage. It has a convenient hand grip that makes it easy to climb and carry around too. Coming with extra height, it is a must-have when cleaning, painting, or changing bulbs. The extra-wide steps also offer comfort while working at a certain height. Its extra-wide steps and non-slip pedal provide good support, with the strong steel frame allowing this extra sturdy step ladder to hold up to 300 pounds. It also folds for easy storage and features a hand grip for even more safety and comfort. This is one of the best folding step ladders for everyday use, and one satisfied customer wrote, "It's sturdy to step on. Have 10-foot ceilings in the kitchen, and needed a 4-step, was hoping for some durability and I received it 100%, folds up super thin for storage between cabinets." Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.